to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lujobox, and this one is the Charm and Beauty box. Yes, the name actually explains everything about the box. Yes, beauty and charm. So let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. Before that, let me tell you the price. Price for this one is 11.99 rupees. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the link of Lujobox and all about the product in the description box. So yes, you guys can check it. And then the quality of box of Lujobox is just amazing. Matte black finish with this golden Lujobox written here. Yes, very classy, very sturdy box. Once you open it, this is the inside. So let's just quickly start with the first product. And let me tell you, I will be starting with this product. This is my personal favorite. This is a shampoo plus conditioner kind of a thing, and this is from Global Beauty Secret. I absolutely love this shampoo and conditioner combo. So I've used I would not say many, but yes, I've used some product from Global Beauty Secret, and all the products are quite nice. The fragrance especially are just amazing, and then the feel and everything, they are quite nice. So yes, I'm really looking forward, not really looking forward, I'm just happy to receive this because nowadays I'm using the same shampoo and conditioner. So yes, I know the feel, I know everything about this product, and that's why I choose to start the box with this. So happy with this one. 100 ml is the quantity. The variant is rose plus mint. The price for this one is 800, I guess. Yeah, 800 is the price. This is free from sulfate, paraben, silicon, 100% vegetarian, not tested on animal, and recyclable. So this is the first product. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is from Eleanor, and this is a powder brush. This is again a really beautiful palette kind of a thing, you can say, and the color is 802. Autumn Peach is the shade, and it's beautiful. This is the shade. So actually daily wear kind of a shade, and yes, I'm definitely going to use it. Actually very sleek palette, and the color is nice. So yes, and Eleanor as a brand is quite good, I would say. So yes, happy to receive this as well. Moving on to the next one. Next one is again from Eleanor, and this is a super matte liquid lipstick. This is how the outer packing is like this. The shade is Lychee. LM10 is the number. Let me just take out the lip color. Wow, even the shade is really pretty. Let me show you the shade here on my hand. So this is the shade, actually very pretty. Yes, I can use it. So I will be definitely using this shade for sure. As you can see, it's pretty. Now moving out, the price for this one is, let me tell you, it's not mentioned here. Okay, I can't tell you the price, but it says 12-hour long wear, high pigment, weightless, non-drying, anti-aging, vegan and paraben free. So yes, definitely going to use it. The next product is organic lip balm. This is 100% organic, 100% natural, and somehow I love the packing. This is a lip balm. This is how it looks like. Once you open it, it's plain lip balm, no color is there. So yes, new brand for me. I'm definitely going to try this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is again one of a really good product. It's an aloe vera gel plus cactus gel. So aloe vera gel is just one-stop solution for all skincare, hair care problems. So yes, super happy with this one, and the brand is Sage Apothecary, which I have used it and I know I trust this brand. So 399 is the price. This says it's morning mask and hydro burst. 110 gram is the quantity, and I don't think so I need to tell you about aloe vera gel. So yes, actually great product, and I'm definitely going to use it. Now I'm left with two nail paints here. Now the first one is this is by Keska, and the color is brown, chocolate brown, and I love the packing, and yes, definitely I can use it. It's brown, chocolate brown. I personally love chocolate brown, not in nail paints, but yeah, I can use it. Now the second one is the shade number is 31 for this. The next one is the 41 number shade. Both are from Keska, and this is again a really beautiful purplish kind of a shade. So yeah, definitely I can try this as well. Beautiful shade, and for summers, yes, I like light colors and all different kind of colors. So yes, definitely going to use it. So I think if you ask me, in this box I will be using the shampoo. I will be obviously using the nail paints and the lip color, yes, for sure. Then the blush, yes, 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 big yes for this. Lip balm, I'm not really sure how it is, but then yes, I'm definitely going to try it. So I think overall, and yes, aloe vera gel, I will be using this for sure. So all the products are quite useful. I too just loved it because I know I will be using all the product. The price is 11.99 rupees, and I will be mentioning all the detail in the description box, so you can check that. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.